Now try.
Yay!
Yay! Don't just pat it, baby. You gotta scoop it.
He's getting it. She's trying to flatten it down so she doesn't have to chew as much. Kind of like the way I do it sometimes. Yeah, it's pretty easy, huh?
Can you do it? Here. There you go. Put it in your mouth.
There you go. Good job.
Yay!
Good job.
Good job.
Yay, Elia. That makes a noise, doesn't it?
Scoop it.
She's getting it. Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty good, huh? It's pretty good. Is there,